Welcome back, friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to write an advanced trigger, and we are going to include all the stuff which we have learned so far in a trigger. So for example, we have a campaign and we have campaign members added to this campaign. As we know that campaign members can have leads and contacts both. So we will take an example of a campaign member as lead. Alright. Here we have status field as sent, but user has not responded yet. But in case if user responds to our campaign, and when we change the status from sent to responded on this campaign member, then I want the date and time to be reflected on a custom field, and that custom field is available in this lead. So I'll just go ahead and open this campaign member in a new tab. Alright, here under lead details I have created this responded on custom field. So in this field I want the exact date and time to be reflected automatically. This is the custom field name. So let's go ahead and create our trigger. Alright, for that we have to get into customize and then get into campaigns. And under campaigns we have campaign members. So I'll just go ahead and create trigger. Click on trigger under campaign members and then click on new. Alright, I'll go ahead and write the name of this trigger. Update responded on and this is going to be after insert and after update trigger, because we are going to write this trigger on existing campaign members. Alright, so let's now go ahead and create a for loop for campaign members. Campaign members cm trigger.new. Alright, so we have our for loop created. So in this for loop we are going to write condition in our code, but before that we will go ahead and create a set. So a set needs to be created outside the loop. So set id, and I'll add a name to the set. CML equals new set ID. Alright, so here is the set we have created. So now we will go ahead and add our condition under this for loop. So if cm dot lead ID, so this lead ID is the variable for all the campaign members. Okay, so lead ID, so this is the ID for the lead who are associated with the campaign. So we have selected that, and I'll add not equals to null. Alright, then we will go ahead and add this lead to our set. So set name is cml dot add and then cm dot lead ID. So in our set we have created a collection for all the lead IDs. That means all the campaign members. Alright, so now we will go ahead and create a map. Map ID, comma, lead, lmap, equal sign, new map, ID, comma, lead. Alright, here is our map created, but I want to add a SQL query under this map. So we can add it here within the brackets as well. So select ID, name, and then we need that responded on custom field also to be in our SQL query. So I'll just go ahead and copy this custom API name and then paste it in our trigger. From lead, where ID in colon CML, because I want this SQL query to look for the stuff within my set which I have created before. Alright, so now we will go ahead and create a list under this map. So list should be for lead, L list equal sign new list, list lead opening closing. Alright, so we have created a list, and now we'll go ahead and add a for loop. So for campaign members CM1, so earlier we used CM, but this time we will go ahead and use another variable for campaign members, CM1 trigger.new, and now under this for loop we will go ahead and add our condition. So if CM1 dot has responded is also an API name. As you can see here, has responded is the API name. If the campaign members status is changed to responded, then this is the API name for that. So if cm1 dot has responded equals to true, we'll go ahead and create a variable for lead. So lead L equals to lead, new lead. Alright, so L equals to lmap dot get cm1 dot lead. So this is going to be the value for L. And now we will go ahead and add L dot responded custom field, responded on custom field equal sign date time dot now opening closing bracket semicolon, and now list dot add. So we are going to add this stuff to our list. Okay, so add L into our list data collection. That is it, guys. Now we'll go ahead and update L list out of this for loop, and that is it. As simple as that. Our code looks perfectly fine. Just read through this code, and if you practice this twice or thrice, you will be able to understand. This is the very easy logic I have used in this trigger. So just try to practice this 2 to 3 times. And now I have saved it. Everything looks fine. Let's see if this trigger is going to work or not. I'll go ahead and change a campaign member's status to responded right now. So I'll just go ahead and edit a campaign member and change the status to responded, and then save it. Alright, so Bill status is now responded. I'll open this lead in a new tab right now. Alright, so responded on field is now filled with date and time based on our date and time. So that means that our that means that our trigger is working perfectly fine. And this is the way, guys, we have to write an advanced trigger, and almost all types of triggers will be like this. So if you are able to master this trigger, then you will be able to write any type of trigger with no problem whatsoever. So good luck, everyone. So in our next video, we are going to learn some more wonderful features.